This is a showstopper assortment. We got it separately. It's TNT assortment. And I'm just going to say a few stuff from it. So we got a Super Dog, a Blast Off, a Supernova right here. What else do we got here? We got King Kong. Got the Screaming Tiger right up here. And we got the Mad Dog. I think that's what it says right here. And I'm gonna move on to this part that came with it too. So we got some zombies, and we got some lightning flashes. We got a Red Devil, and we got a Dixie Delight. And that's just some of the fountains from here. Now I'm going to go over some stuff that we got from Phantom today. We got some Norman candles, American military candles, some crackling Wolfpack candles, and some other Roman candles. Now I'm going to go over some fountains. So we got the Phantom Night Owl. We got Phantom's Fury. Now we got some Bang Snaps Wolfpack. Got some Smoke Balls, 2 packs. Now we have 2 packs of Hydro Crackers. And then we have a Gatling Cannon 90 shot repeater. Yeah, that's a repeater. And then we have 2 large Happy Planet 36 shot.
Alright, I'm going to go over the rest of the stuff we got from Phantom today. This is a 96 shot Pearl. Good little repeater. Crackling Mine, 7 shot. Barbarian Blast, 25 shots. And then we got this one with a coupon. It's the Guerrilla Warfare. It's a 500 gram repeater. I think it's like 30 shot. It's pretty nice. And then we got these 4 Horsemen rockets. Pretty big. And we got the Phantom smiley face rockets. And then we got this big, it's pretty much like just a giant Roman candle, so Barrage Fire candles, 196 shots. You just like stick in the ground, blast. I'd like to hold it, but probably die. Let's see, and we got this one free at the end. And then we got 2 packs of these seismic waves. They're pretty good. I like them. Then we have the Battle of Nation. I don't really know how to say that, but it's a 25 shot repeater. We got Vapor Trails. This one is, let's see, I think it's 90 something shot. Pretty sure. I mean, he really cares, right? This is 16 shot Emerald City. Let's see what else. We got Blue Streak rockets. We already lit one off. They're pretty nice. Now, actually, this year we got a lot more mortars. We got Crackling Phantom Cannonball mortar kit. Pretty nice. We got 2 high performance Wolfpack mortar kits. This is nice too. Whistling Buster mortar kit. And the free mini bomb again, just like last year. And then we got tended up. We got the red, white, and boom 16 shot repeater. Twinkling Barrage with whistle 74 shot repeater. 36 shot Battle of Colors. And to end it, the free Broken Heart, which I really liked last year. That ends it for our stash.
Bye.